Hello, fabulous workshop hosts. Super quick tour of your workshop or session as it's here known. So here we are, reception area for the Digital Circus Live. Your workshop is over here in sessions. Now, remember, they will only appear 10 minutes before you're due to go on. And when you're due to go on, you just click on your name to get into it, and then you share audio and video. Like that. Hello. Now I'm going to hide me because it looks a bit funny seeing two of me. I'm okay with it. Right. And when we're in, it's like this. Now here's a few things. We can see that it is recording. We can see right here how many people are on camera. I'm going to come back to that. We can see here how many people are in the workshop in total. They will also be over here where it says people. Everyone, regardless of camera or not, can chat under chat. Another thing to remember is that you click on session and not event for the chat and the people, because if you click on event, that's the chat and the people for the event. Hopefully that's clear. When you finish, you click leave, and then along the bottom we've got captions. Then we've got mute audio, mute video like I've done. We've got open the share menu. So that's when you want to screen share your presentation if you're doing one. A couple more settings and then full screen. I don't recommend full screen. Now here's the important notes. First things first, if you are screen sharing a presentation, remember to manage your windows. We made the presentation small in one corner and the hop in, this window right here, we made that small in the opposite corner, and that way you can see both and you can control the presentation and see what's going on in your workshop. The other thing we've done is we've removed moderation, so people do not have to ask for permission to come onto camera. All they need to do is click on ask to share video and audio right here, and they can join you on camera. We thought that would give you one less thing to do and ultimately have more people on camera, which is a good thing. You may still wish to invite them and remind them that they can just click that button and come on. If you want moderation switched on, so you have to say yes to them coming onto camera, let me know and I will switch that back on for your workshop. But as default, it is now off. All right, any question? Oh, and when you're done, you just click on leave right there and you are out. It will record from when the first person goes in and the last person leaves. So you could hypothetically leave people in there. It's okay though, I will trim off the beginning and the end before any recordings. All right, take it easy, bye.